rise again. My homeless niggas in today's masterpiece. John Zherka explains the art of manipulation and more esoteric knowledge. Subscribe now to conquer your mind.
I think will is everything, but the problem with willing your new life is you got to actually tell yourself it's just not right now. So if you want to will a project, you know how people are like, you just got to do it, discipline. No, you tried that and you're a fucking loser. Find the calmest moment of your day and say, I promise the calmest moment of my day when I feel like I got nothing to do, when I feel like I got, where I feel like, oh, well, what should I click on? Should I call a buddy? At that moment, just spend a little time in silence and say, would you like to start the project right now? And you always say yes. Every single time. And then you psychically start doing it passively, which is actually really healthy. You start to go through the motions of work passively. And what happens when you feel yourself fatiguing from work, but you're so passive, you're just like, blah, 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 blah. You start checking yourself. You go, wait, if I'm changing my brain, if I'm done with the suffering, I'll suffer with the real world. I'm not suffering at work, right? We're men, we love work, right? There's nothing, dude, I'm telling you, a man is the golden retriever, right? If you don't have a ball, you're losing your fucking brain. Even if you're making money, you're losing your fucking everything. You're Spiros, man. You understand? Now, the best thing you can do, ask yourself, what is the Leviathan of your failure? And I promise you it's going to be the same as mine, because I grew up in this like age of information and blah, blah, blah in our face, right? And what is the Leviathan always destroying us? The Leviathan is always the intro, the start. We can't start, and if we do, we don't like our start. And so we never get it done. Some of us who are smarter than others, we go to the end. We started from backwards and start to work it backwards into the middle. And look, we lose motivation. This doesn't make sense. It needs an intro. This doesn't make sense. It feels... The greatest thing you can do is have the shittiest intro ever, right? And lock it. Say, that's it. It cannot change for 7 days. That intro cannot change for 7 days. That intro about me talking about toothpaste cannot change for 7 days. And now that you've locked it, you have to work, because it's locked for 7 days. Once it's locked for 7 days, you go on part 2 and part 3 and part 4, and you go, man, I'm rushing it. Part 2, 3, 4 suck. I'm doing so bad. You go part 5, part 6, just finish it in one night, finish it. But dude, this is supposed to be like a 20-day thing. Just finish it. Your primary goal should not be starting, should not be tapping, it should be, I'm not leaving my chair till I finish the worst version of this project. So you finish this horrible PowerPoint and you go, holy fuck, I spent 4 hours on the shittiest PowerPoint of my life. It doesn't even make sense. And you get up off your chair and you go to bed. And I go, man, this is fucking stupid. This is fucking stupid. But I go to bed, and the next day, what do I have? I have hope and I have faith. Why? Because I have a PowerPoint done that I forgot about. I go, man, I did something stupid. I don't even remember. I just woke up. You press play the next day on your stupid PowerPoint. And you watch it and you laugh and you're like, oh, this is so stupid. I can't believe I wasted my time. And then ideas start to pour in the crevices of it. The greatest psychic revelations you'll ever experience. And you go, holy shit. If I change one part in this PowerPoint, that hook would look pretty mean. Like that would engage the reader or whatever, the watcher. And so the point is, a shitty idea is the only way you get to a good one. Like, never ever start a painting and think that's the painting. You understand? So yeah, you gotta stop doing certain things. You're stuck in your ways, bro.